Dear parents, summer holidays are fast approaching, so are the examination for the Rashtriya Indian Military College Dehradun. We are happy to inform you that we have organized a residential coaching for 65 days to make sure that your child makes it at the REMC. We are proud to inform you the only candidate from Tamil Nadu who made it for RIMC for this year is from our academy. We also offer coaching for Sainik School and Military School, both foundation course online as well as offline classes are conducted. Contact us at the given number. We offer 1 to 3 years of coaching for Sainik School, Military School, RIMC entrance examination. We have tied up with one of the reputed schools in Tamil Nadu. We also offer coaching online for the National Defence Academy and 1 to 2 years after class 10th as a regular school at Vidya Vikash Karamadai. Please call us for knowing more. All the best. Jai Hind.